again for another Tutorial Tuesday, and I had to do this one this week because somebody asked me, hey, where's the tutorial for your eagle clip art? And I went to go find it on my YouTube channel and it wasn't there. And I realized I've never done an eagle tutorial, and I use this eagle all the time. Like, it's one of my old time staples. So, coming at you with an eagle balloon tutorial this week. Hope you guys like this one. Okay, so you're going to need some static in your hair. Holy cow. Okay, let's try that again. We're gonna need a brown 260, a white 260. I've inflated them this much. And this is gonna start off a lot like the penguin, my old school penguin, if you've seen that video. And a yellow 260, inflated about a 2-inch tail there, okay? So we're gonna set that yellow right down beside you, and we're gonna start on the white. Just like the penguin starts, we're gonna do 2 eyeball bubbles, so about 3 to 4 inch bubbles. And I'm gonna bring the light down here for a bit while we're working with the white. I'm gonna twist those together. Now where it differs from the penguin is right here. You're gonna take the white over the top instead of the darker colored balloon. Okay? So, bald eagle head right there. Now at this point, I like to just go ahead and add the beak. So, oh, this guy's not cooperating. We're gonna do a small loop here. It's about the size of my palm. And we're gonna do another one right beside there. Okay. And then for the beak on the eagle, I'm gonna give it a good squeeze and a little bend. I'm gonna come out here, do about 4 to 5 inches there. We've got a twist. And now you're gonna do another bubble about half the size of this one right here. Like so. And then this is gonna come back and twist into his cheeks. And that will give it that nice curved eagle beak. Now, you can probably use the rest of this for the feet, or we can use another yellow 260 for the feet. So whatever you think you want to do, I am going to go ahead and rip this off. Let some air out of here. I have just enough to do 2 feet. I'm going to tie this off and save it for the feet. Okay, so the beak, we're gonna bring right in front of our eagle face. We're gonna take both cheeks and push them back behind the face, and then you're gonna just swap places. Just one time, just swap, okay? So now this is all locked in, it's not gonna go anywhere. And then position the beak so you can kind of see what we're going for here. Okay, I'll just straighten everything up. There we go, screaming bald eagle. Okay, the body is just like the penguin body. So you bring both your balloons down together, twist them together. You're gonna take your brown back up into the head. I usually twist it off first, and then I just twist it around one full time. So you've got the white balloon in front, and you've got 2 brown bubbles. And now this is going to go down the other side and into the bottom. So there is the body. Now we'll arrange his face. Okay, at this point you can add the feet. So I'm just going to take my leftover yellow, and I'm going to do simple feet since I don't have very much balloon left here. So it's just going to be 2 bubbles like the penguin. Okay, 3-inch bubbles there. Twist them together, get that knot up in there, and then do another foot the same exact way, 2 bubbles. Okay, we're gonna get rid of the rest of this, don't need that. I'm just gonna take it and thread it through the feet a couple times to secure it, so I don't need to mess with tying that. We're gonna take the feet from behind your eagle, bring them forward, locking those balloons into the back, and then I flip the feet, switch places. Okay, and now they're locked in there, and they're not gonna come off. The white we're done with, so you can get rid of. And I'm just gonna wrap that tuck it up into the body to hide it. Okay, and for an eagle tail, their tails fan out. They're a little bit bigger than a penguin tail. So I'm gonna just make a triangle. I'm gonna do about 3 to 4 inches. And another, about a 2 to 3 inch double, and then we'll come back up same size as this one. So I'm gonna eyeball it, make a twist, and then twist together. Okay, so there's his fanned out little tail. We're done with the rest of this. So I'm going to get rid of that. Wrap everything up. Alright, just look over it. Get everything positioned correctly so it looks nice and neat. Ah! Alright, so that is the eagle. What do you guys think of that bad boy? Okay, so the eyes, I just do penguin eyes. Eagles are really penguins that are just tougher and can fly. Alright, so do the same eyes I do on the penguin, but for this guy I give him 2 little nostrils on top of his beak, and then I like to do some kind of ruffled looking feather things on his chest. So it's just 3 little upside down U's, and then 2 under that, and then 1 on the bottom. So it just kind of looks like he has feathers, a little more realistic. Okay, so that is the eagle. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments if you guys like this one. This is a staple, especially around the patriotic American holidays. People love to have eagles. You can stick them on a headband. You can stick them on a bracelet. Stick them on a stick. They'll stand up on your table. So this is like a super versatile balloon eagle. Don't forget to grab the clip art that matches this so you can put it on your balloon twisting menus and start making eagles at your events right away. That is over at thetwistersister.com. And make sure to follow my Facebook page. I have a new big goal to get my Facebook page to 10,000 fans. And I need your help, obviously, to do that. So I'm gonna have a big giveaway when I get to 10,000. So you definitely wanna make sure you're a part of that. Head on over, I'll drop links in the info about this video. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this, and I'll see you again next week. Bye.